Here I have KIANO Elegance 5.1. Let me show you how to reset all network settings on the following device. So at first let's unlock the screen. Let's tap apps icon, find and select the settings. Let's scroll down and under personal you should have backup and reset. Let's tap it. Then let's select network settings reset, and here you can reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. If you are aware of this, let's choose reset settings, and in order to begin the whole operation, choose reset settings one more time. Excellent, as you can see, network settings have been reset, so everything went well. You may use your back arrow a couple of times and start using your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.